Woo! Wow! I like this. I can't deny. This is pretty good. Oh gosh. We could make a grasshopper. Immediately I hate it. Immediately. Why am I making what I hate the most? Whoa! I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh my gosh. Kinda thick though. Here's where you learn that SPORE is a bit cursed. Honestly, pretty cursed. Okay, looks great. Okay. Now what can you do? Scary! Scary! Okay. Wow. The arms are so long. The arms are so long. Oh, it reminds me of Little Nightmares. This is just beyond comprehension. Is this the most cursed stream? Why have I done the most cursed stream as my third stream ever? Why have I brought this? Hachimu needs to play this. She should. She should play it. Whoa! Are we leaving? You guys are getting the wrong idea about me. I'm very pure. Just pure as nature. And I'm sure I will prove it to you this stream. They're too fast.